This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by picking the exact image and location. Choose a high-resolution JPG or PNG that matches your display. Once done, save it to desktop or pictures so you can find it instantly. Now open the desktop context menu or settings personalization because this is where you apply the wallpaper. I'm showing you the fastest route. Right-click the file for an immediate set or go through settings when you want precise placement options. You now apply and tune how the image fills the screen. Right-click and select Set as Desktop Background for a one-click install. If you need control, go to Settings Background and choose Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, or Center. Each option changes how the image scales or crops. Make sure to select the correct monitor if you have multiple displays, because applying to one versus all can prevent awkward cropping. Take a moment to preview and switch options until the framing looks right. You're finishing now. Confirm the change, and if you want, set the lock screens separately so both match. If the wallpaper appears blurry, you likely need a higher resolution or higher DPI file. Using the display's native resolution solves scaling blur. If the wallpaper doesn't update, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in, and make sure GPU drivers are current, because driver issues can block desktop refresh. That one troubleshooting step usually fixes persistent update problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.